Qengela sekunene phambi kobuso bakho msindisi wobomi bami, umxoleli wezono zami, umcoci wengqondo yami, mhlambi wenhliziyo yami, sibani sami esikhanyisa indlela zami, umncedi wami, wena ungamandla ami, mlawuli wengaphakathi lami, wena ondoyisela intshaba zami, ungisindise ebubini kodwa kutheni ungathi ungifake kuhleni. Isikhalo sendoda sinzulu, bawo ndingumntwana wakho, esi sikhalo sihoye. My heart can't beat no more, it just bleeds. I'm glad I still can breathe. This pain gets me blind, now I hardly see who loves me. I thought I was fit for it, responding strong, now I see myself useless. I guess I won't come across peace again. They say I must hold on, now my hands are burning, skin flourishing, no veins, bones appearing, I quit. Uselona uthi nzondidla umnikazi leyo ndibone kumbe ndingazi, kodwa ngoku sendinalo lolwazi. Kwaqala kwasibakala ndakanganye ngomnqunyo wayo, kwathuduma izulu kwavithiza umoya inkanyamba, yatsho yazi inyembezi nenhliziyo ezilihlwili kubazali nakusapho, latshona ilanga.